Mark BATHUM and Cade Yamamoto. Mark BATHUM, he's 59. So we've had a 52-year-old in Bruno Morgenfurt. Now got Mark BATHUM, originally from Seattle. Mark was skiing from the age of 9, so it was always something he wanted to do. Big cookery fan as well. It's the third game. Silver in the downhill in 2010. Silver in this event last time out in Sochi. There has been a raft of young skiers come through in the VI events, and that can cause an issue. No matter what age you are, no matter how good you've been historically, if they step up, you've got to step up with them. Can Mark and Cade come through with a competitive time? 1:34.64 for Mark BATHUM.